Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser and then you will search for Docs here, and you need to click on the first link, which is Google Docs, and then you will see this kind of screen here, and you need to just click on this blank page here, okay, because I will start it from the scratch here. Now this is the interface of Google Docs. So you can just now start writing some text here, and now you can see that we have bunch of different options here. So you can select this text here. If you want to change the font, you can change the font from here. If you want to change the size, you can change the font size here. You make it bold, italic, underline. If you want to change the text color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the background color, you can do it from here, okay. And basically now, if let's suppose you wanted to insert an image, go to insert image, and now there are multiple sources from you can add image. So I will just search the web here, and now here you will add some keywords here. So let's suppose I will type here house, press enter, and you will see bunch of different houses images here. So I will select this one, click on insert, and you will see that we have just inserted a beautiful house image, okay. Now basically, if you wanted to add, let's suppose table here, you will go to the insert table, choose number of rows and columns, and there you go, the table, okay. And now if you wanted to download this document, if you wanted to export this document into your PC or your phone, click on file, download, and you can see bunch of different formats here. So I wanted to download in PDF format, so click on PDF, and then it will be downloaded into your PC, and now you can basically view it in your PC as well, okay. So that is the basic tutorial that how you can use Google Docs. That's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.